Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a system that you can join totally for free, and you can get started in 3 simple steps. And within this system, I'm going to show you today how it's more than a free lead system. It's a 100% done for you system, but there's no autoresponder required to become successful with this system. So there's no monthly outgoings if you're new on a limited budget. And the beauty and the great thing about this system is that you can also promote any offer on autopilot to earn additional commissions. So it's got a built-in done for you autoresponder where you can promote any offer to earn additional commissions. I'll come to that shortly. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you how that works. You've also got an option to earn unlimited $6 commissions if you want to upgrade. Again, there's no monthly membership cost with that. I'll come to that again shortly. And there's a Facebook group with 40,000 plus members if you want support and training. I'll mentor you one-to-one if you want my help. But you have got the Facebook group as well. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description. So we're not making any guarantees of income. We've all got an equal opportunity as an affiliate to promote free lead system. So let's just have a look first of all at how the system works. So you get a lead capture page, which is this one here. And you get an affiliate link to promote this lead capture page. So it's completely 100% done for you. You promote this page. I'll give you my best free traffic sources at the end of this video. If you're on a tight budget, you promote this page, and then when your prospects go for their free lead system, put their email in here, then that's when the magic really happens. And this is inside the members area, getting started in 3 simple steps. So it's very beginner friendly. It's a great place to start if you're looking to generate leads, consistent leads. And what happens is, first of all, you watch this video here, short video that sort of explains how things work. Step 2, enter your website below. So in this window here, you put an offer that you want to promote. I do recommend low ticket offers. The one that I'm promoting is a $5 offer. So I just recommend that you promote low ticket offers or give away some freebies and get people onto your list with the lead capture page. But then what happens is the emails go out automatically for you, and then they promote your offer within those emails. So it's a very clever system the way it works. You just promote one link, and then your prospects go through a journey. They get automated emails sent out, and then within those emails, your offer is going to be promoted there. If you haven't got any offers to promote, then just send me an email. My email will be in the description, and I can recommend some low ticket offers, and especially the one here that I use that does convert. And then step 3 is just promoting your link. So this is your link. Your link will be here, and your link will be to this lead capture page. Let me show you some proof of the leads and show you that this works. I've got the upgraded version, which is called Lead Lightning. So if you don't upgrade, then your leads will go into, bear with me, I'll just show you this. If you don't upgrade, your leads will go into here, into your contact manager here. But because I've spent a one-time $7 to upgrade, then what happens is, if I can find it here, all my leads go into Lead Lightning. So let me show you the leads. I'm going to blur out the members' information for privacy. I'm going to go into Contact Manager. Excuse me. And then what you'll see here so far with this system, I've generated 157 leads. So the system is now promoting lead lightning for me, and the system is now also promoting my offer that I put within that link. So great done for you, system. That just shows you some proof that that it actually works, that you can generate leads there with the system as well. And if you do want to upgrade, again, it's totally optional. If you do want to upgrade with Lead Lightning, then you can earn unlimited $6 commissions. So I have done a video here on Lead Lightning where I've earned $120 in commission. So if you go onto my channel, you'll see this video here, Lead Lightning, $120. So Lead Lightning is a one-time $7. You earn unlimited $6 commissions, and you'll see that I've sold 20 of those 20 Lead Lightnings. And if you want some free traffic, so there is some traffic training within the members area free lead system, but these are my best free traffic sources, 5 of them that I use every day. So I'll pin this blog post that I wrote to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And if you want to have a look at my free traffic sources that I use and I recommend, then you can join those on that page there. There's also some more in this free traffic drop down box here if you want some more information on free traffic as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about free lead system or Lead Lightning, then please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. To get your free lead system, just go to get your free lead system, just go to this page here, this link in the description, and to get your free lead system, just put your email in there, and then they'll send you a welcome email with a code to be able to access not a code, a password. That's the word I'm looking for. They'll send you an email with a password so you can get into your free lead system, and then you can get your own lead capture page and you can start promoting, generate some free leads, and also promote any offer in the process. So great little system, and works very well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.